welcome to Tell a Friend. And today we're making chocolate chip cookies. So now I'm gonna add the butter and the whisk and mix everything. No, you're gonna mix it with the whisk. And then so I'm gonna put corn syrup inside and then half an egg inside and mix it with. And also we already preheated the oven to 180 degrees. So Ria, put the butter in. This? This is the butter. Everything? Everything? Oh my gosh. And mix it. Oh my gosh. Whisk. Mix. Are you sure? The whisk. You mix. This is probably the color. Is that the corn syrup? Ew. Corn syrup is yucky, you know? Whoa. Whoa. It does smell like, can I smell it too? Quite weird. Oh, quite weird. It kind of smells like cayenne. It tastes like honey, you know? Yeah. Because I liked it a little bit. This is our whisk. This is our whisk. Now I'm putting half an egg inside. Let me see it goes. Mommy, Tella put the whole thing in. Okay. Give me the whisk, please. Whisk. Mix everything together. Mix you all together. Hey, okay, that's getting all recorded, okay? I want to sing in front of everybody, in front of Phil. Okay, hi, welcome to Tell a Friend, and today Tell a Friend singing this. So now I'm going to put this whole thing in here and mix it with this. It's cookie mix with chocolate chips. Now I pour it. Oh my gosh, this is not. And I thought, wow. This is on chocolate. Oh, these are the chocolate bubbles. Perfect. So yummy. And you can mix it, Ria, now. Watch out. Let's mix it. Watch out. Can't wait to make cookies. We need cookie cutters and these. Yeah. And we're going to make small balls and make a flat and put some of these. Oh, or we can use the shapes that we already have. To make different kinds of shapes. That's what I mean. Oh, I see. So a star that can be small or big. Cool, right? And a cat, right? And a dog. This is a tiny. And me, I have a heart and a gingerbread. And so after we're done making shapes, like if I make a cat. Then, after we make a cat, we take it out and put it there. Alright? Cat. That I don't know what I'm making. I'm going to make something with my hand instead. So now what I have to do is just make this, and then I have to shape it. So now we're done shaping them, and now we put it on the pan, and now we're going to put it in the oven, and we're going to wait for around 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, we're going to let them cool down for 5 minutes, and then we're going to decorate, and then we'll eat them. So they went out of the oven, and turns out they're nice. Yeah, and now we're going to decorate them with sprinkles and some frosting and some like glittery stuff. Yeah. This is white shiny and this is shiny. Probably blue shiny. Look, I can see it. Let's see. Drop more. Look at this. It's shiny. Look. Look, mine is shiny. Look. Shiny. What's this? Especially it's super. And I know that Mom's gonna be super cute after. So look at this. Cheers up again. Cheers up again. So now we're done decorating them, and now we're done putting sprinkles, and now we're going to taste them. I'm going to taste. So let's see this one. Still. Don't need to. Yum. Yummy. I'm eating this one. Yum. Don't forget to subscribe to Tell a Friend.